Hi, this is John of Art. It's rainy season once again. Tag-ulan. And so here at the farm, we'll do something else to make it more interesting and to just go with the flow. For our Ilonggo series, let's learn a few interesting words pertaining to rain again. I have made a few videos about rain in the past, so you can research on that. But right now, what I'm gonna do, because I'm now all wet, basa, I want to go shower in the rain! Yay! Okay. Before I go out there in the rain to take a shower, so our word for that, the Ilonggo word for that is paligo, or in short, ligo. Meaning to, well, how do I say this? In English, taking a bath is taking a dip in a bathtub. But it's ligo to us. And if you take a shower, it also means the same thing. It's still paligo. So whether it is in a tub, like a bath, or a shower, to us, when you wash yourself with water, when you wash the body with water, it's still paligo. And when you do that in the rain, it's still paligo. So let's go! I have no other choice but to get wet in the rain. So let's do this until we get wet. It's more fun when you do it with friends. Tomorrow I will have friends here, we'll hang out, and if it rains, then we'll do this again. Woo! An umbrella is called payong. So whether it is for the sun or for the rain, it's still payong. Our traditional paligo equipment is, well, it's TABO in Tagalog, but in Ilonggo it's called KABO. And balde, or any container that can be used as a bucket. When you want to collect water from the rain, like water falling from the roof, it's called salod. Salod. Catching the rain, collecting it, salod. Bo. So bo means to pour water.